Hi guys, this is a quick overview on how to add Twitch as OAuth provider. So in the developer console in Twitch, we will register a new application and we'll specify the name. We will copy the callback URL from Supabase here. Then we'll select the category and keep the client type confidential. Let's create our application and let's copy the client ID here and generate a new client secret and save. All right, let's test the Twitch login. Here is our temporary application and we will authorize, redirect, and here is our user. So because my user has the same email address, we will just have additional providers here. In the dashboard, we will see still one user, but with two providers here. And this is it. Thank you very much.